Your voice is largely governed by your brainstem. So we only have limited conscious control, limited volition over the tone of our voice, the pacing, the prosody, the intonation, and the general melody and rhythm, because all of those are governed by the brainstem. Yeah. So the brainstem actually regulates vocal reflexes. It controls the tension and the laryngeal muscles that impact your tone. And it also determines the voice breath coupling patterns that are audible in your voice. So all of this happens subconsciously in your brainstem. And simultaneously, we must understand that the brainstem is actually one of the places that really detects cues of safety and danger. So if the brainstem detects a signal of threat in your tone of voice, it will relay that into your brain, where the interpretation happens in the context you're in, so in relation to the environment that you're in, and then it'll send new signals down. So let's say you have quite a sort of stressed intonation. Your voice reveals a lot of tension, a lot of stress levels, which are your habit. So the brainstem is going to know that, but at the same time, since it's habitual, it won't really react to them unless there is an imminent threat in your environment. So when we are working with neurosensory voice work and we are in a safe environment, the interpretation is going to be, I'm safe, I can relax, and the brainstem will then begin to regulate your tone of voice. As I said, it will begin to relax tension in the laryngeal muscles that you cannot relax of your own conscious volition, because you cannot access that level of control because it is autonomic. And this is the whole principle why neurosensory voice work has some magic in it, essentially. It's because it's working with the autonomic responses in your system that automatically recalibrate and create new neuroplasticity and a new experience that is physiological and physically experienced. So it's not just a mental thing. That's all for today. Hope you've enjoyed the content. Do leave a comment. If you have any questions, ask them, put them in the comments. I'm happy to answer and elaborate on any things that you would like to hear in the future.